Yes, Rahul.
Very good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon. Yes. I'm opening your answer script.
Okay, sir.
I hope 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
What, sir? 1, 2, 3, 4?
Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ha, sir. By God's grace, it went nice.
Yes. To the point I discussed, Rahul.
Yes, sir.
See, Appu, this paper test 4, I did very strict evaluation and you got 121 marks. In UPSC, you will be getting plus 30.
Okay.
This diagram was good. For contemporary, please take these points.
Okay.
See, some questions.
Yes, sir.
One of the topper decided to find some questions like Asiatic anthropoid ape, principles of economy for distribution exchange, and phenomenology again, affirmative action of USA, primate studied like Jane Goodall, other 4 anthropologists are there. So some content I will be sending by 5 o'clock. Please go through it.
Okay. Okay. So you are talking about that Leakey's 3 angels, like one is Jane Goodall and other 2 ladies.
Yes, the 2 I will be sending you the content. Yes, वीएन मिश्रा का आपने अच्छा लिखा था और थोड़ा कंटेंट मैंने भेजा. Discuss always might explain. Yes, this also you wrote good. Gender, customer law. This also very good. I remember your answer. About the various features, importance of dominant caste. Don't keep this star mark.
Oh. Your आपका introduction or conclusions are very good. Continue the same in the final examination. Thank you, sir.
Yes. और एक बात, आपका 6 आंसर्स होने के बाद means 5 you have to write. After writing 3 answers, last 2 answers are getting handwriting is getting bad. So please be conscious about your answer writing after 3 answers.
Yes, sir, you are right. Sir, actually, I think I took 15 minutes more also in this test.
Yes.
So, sir, my doubt will be regarding this, that once the time is over, the dedicated time to a question, so should I quickly just move ahead, because otherwise I will be, compromising the quality of the next question, because ultimately 3 hours will be there in the final exam.
Yeah.
So my voice is clear, right?
Minutes, for example, for 10 marker, after 7 minutes, you want to make it quicker.
Because otherwise I will be compromising on other answers quality.
Yes. So first minute should be draft. What points you are going to write?
Okay.
For anthropology, what do you do? Very first minute, make the draft in the rough column, the margins, what all points you are going to cover, and the same you repeat.
So rough margins, you are saying the behind pages?
Yes, last pages. Last one. What you take? You do last one, take a rough one. What are points you want to write? Just fatafat within 1 minute, so that you will be not thinking about what need to be added in the later part of the answers. So in the first minute only, you will be deciding what all points you are going to keep in the answer. This will be useful. Briefly discuss the classical model of ethnic and linguistic classification.
Sir, just if you scroll above, actually, I remember I took 25 minutes to write this answer. If you can zoom, sir, this table I think I should reduce. Can you please suggest, like, I can below, above page number 35? Yes, sir, this one. This took me some 10 minutes. So I was thinking that next time I will just ethnic type an example directly.
Yes, and physical features go only for 2 physical features for every classification every time.
That is okay. I have gone for 3, 4. So only for 2.
2.
Okay. Stature and complexion. That's it.
That's it. Yes.
Okay.
Outline the distribution of gravity. This is good one. This is new diagram. Very nice.
So this this last question.
Okay.
This was about, yes sir, nature and spirit as an ecological. Sir, I have given 2 examples. Should I give more examples?
No, enough. 2 is enough.
2 is enough, no? 2 case studies. Okay.
Well, yes, good. Continue the same. No big transformation. The same thing you continue. Only one thing you have to focus is after 3 answers, 4th answer, 5th answer about handwriting. Be conscious.
Sir, that because time management only. Like this test, we see I have taken 4 hours. 3:15, 7.
This test 6 wala?
So timing will be written below.
Okay.
I think 3 hours 10 minutes. 3 hours 20 minutes.
3 hours 20 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Time has been
very much. Okay.
That is why I'm worried.
अगर आप देखें तो टेस्ट 5 में भी 121 आया, टेस्ट 6 में भी 121 आया. Means you are performing in the same way.
Okay. Sir, एक इसमें डाउट पूछना था. So basically, when I was observing the people who are topping, मतलब in your test series, so my score is 121, their score is 135 plus.
Yes.
On an average, we can say that there are total 19 questions, so they are getting 1 mark extra in every question.
Yes.
And that will be difference. There will be not much difference in one question.
Yes.
So that, sir, because sir, you have seen all the answers. What do you think is that 1 extra mark? How will I get?
Proper visibility is there. For example, there is one student called as Funny. उसके आंसर में क्या है ना, विजिबिलिटी है. बोले तो the answers are very good while I'm evaluating it like this. I'm feeling very pleasant. Means because of answer handwriting, arrangement, it is visible. It's not about he is dumping the points. He is arranging the points. It is very good.
Oh.
देखो एक शेफ काम करता है होटल में, खाना पकाता है, टेस्ट भी रहता है, मगर उसको अरेंज करता है, उसको डिफरेंट दैट अरेंजमेंट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
That gets 1 extra mark.
Yes.
Sir, if possible, can you just show me one funny copy also?
I will send you.
Achha. Because you have shared topper copies in the group. There I saw more of.
Funny is offline.
Achha.
मैंने message किया था offline students, they took the papers.
Oh.
But still I will ask him and I will send you.
Just to 1-2 answers also, just to get that visual appeal.
I will then.
Okay, so you are saying like mine is looking a bit crowded. If I make nice, है ना?
यहाँ पे देखो crowded है देखो. Joint family यहाँ है, rural cosmopolitan यहाँ है, criticism यहाँ है, contemporary relevance यहाँ है, conclusion भी यहाँ है.
हाँ. तो थोड़ा सा स्पेस करना, थोड़ा सुंदर.
स्पेस करना पड़ेगा.
ओके. उल्टा अच्छा उससे टाइम भी सेव होएगा, कम कंटेंट लिखना पड़ेगा.
Reasons for such English studies. नहीं कंटेंट तो लिखो मगर अरेंज करो बस. Yes, these are all very good points. This will give you marks. You don't reduce this. Never reduce this. Good.
Sir, इसमें what will you comment like elaboration need to improve means?
बोले तो देखो आपने यहाँ पे डाला है ना, what will be the reason, what is this?
Oh.
That you have to mention me. You should not give a puzzle to me to think.
मतलब जैसे मैंने ये साइड में लिख दिया लीनियर अलोंग, तो यहाँ पर थोड़ा मार्क करने का डायग्राम में,
हाँ।
रिवर गोइंग
हाँ।
लाइक दिस. ओके.
Also correct.
सर एक डाउट पूछना था.
बोलिए.
फॉर डोमिनेंट कास्ट it is given by M. N. Srinivas, right, sir?
Yes.
So, sir, was it his study or was it his essay? I'm getting confused from multiple sources.
No, it is a study conducted by him, but that his study he mentioned in a book. The book name is Essays.
Acha. Okay. Essays on the.
There is some यहाँ पे है.
डोमिनेंट कास्ट का क्वेश्चन था क्या इसमें? हाँ यहाँ पर होगा.
I will share you.
Okay.
I will share you. My notes only I will open. Is PPT visible to you?
हाँ सर, मतलब the answer copy is visible. And sir, my voice is clearly audible, right?
Yes, yes.
Because.
PPT visible है ना?
हाँ सर है.
देखो डोमिनेंट कास्ट यहाँ पे.
हाँ गया सर पीछे. ये रहा. In his essay, the social.
In his essay, he written about his study. In his essay, the social system of Mysore village.
Okay.
Which was written after his study. Which was written after the study of village Rampura. Explained about the village structure. As well as in another book also, the dominant caste in Rampura elucidated dominance in intercaste relation. दो book. एक का नाम है the social system in Mysore village. दूसरे का नाम dominant caste in Rampura. In this,
okay, so
one is essay, another is book, in which he mentioned
okay.
the dominant caste.
So can I mention any one of them?
Dominant caste का आया तो दोनों mention करना पड़ेगा.
अच्छा, ठीक है. तो मैं I will write the concept is given in his essay the social system of Mysore village and in his book the dominant caste in Rampura.
Yes.
Like this. Okay.
Yes, this one. This all contents, please go. See, आपका introduction बहुत अच्छा है, इसलिए देखो. Sanskrit mention was in his book. Westernization was this. ये same continue करो. Don't change anything.
ठीक है sir.
So my answers are very good yours.
Okay sir, thank you.
पेपर तो कंप्लीट करो संडे के दिन. संडे है ना, एंथ्रोपोलॉजी संडे है.
यस सर, संडे है सर. सैटरडे को सर हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश. सर थोड़ा सा वो वरी हो रहा है अभी. पेपर 1 का ही जस्ट अभी रिवीजन कंप्लीट हो रहा है. अभी पेपर 2 के लिए सिर्फ 1.5 डेज बच रहा है.
टुडे एंड टुमारो आई एम सेंडिंग सम कंटेंट. नाउ आल्सो आई फॉरवर्डेड सम इंडिजिनस एंड ट्राइब.
यस सर.
Go through it quickly. Which
okay.
I am posting. That's it.
Sir, you are expecting that in 2019 phenomenology comes, so this year also it will come, like
no,
1 year
yes,
gap.
No, go through it.
अच्छा.
Sanskritization का भी आंसर अच्छा. You are good at Indian society, yeah?
हाँ sir. मतलब I feel after seeing marks in tribal, too much examples are required, na sir, and there are not much. What do you say? Thinkers and anthropologists, I don't have much in tribal.
One shortcut. If there is any question between Indian society and tribal India, you want to choose Indian society.
अच्छा, मतलब you also feel sir that will get more marks.
Yes.
मतलब this you are saying personally regarding me or in general, like physical and by. What sir?
For you, I'm saying you,
अच्छा,
tribal India or Indian society, you go with Indian society.
okay.
आपको ट्राइबल में क्या है ना, if you give 2 3 or also the chance of getting more marks is less. Indian society is fixed content.
Like in paper one, sir, that is very clear now that physical versus socio-cultural, physical one has to go.
100% physical you have to go.
So similarly here, Indian society one has to go.
Tomorrow I will, or by late night, I will send you some of the advanced genetical studies, like advanced molecular techniques, 4 5 molecular advanced techniques I will be sending you in Crux. Go through it. Like 3-parent baby, mitochondria child. अच्छा है. Indian society is very good. $145, 245, 345, 445, 3.5 hours. 9
Yes.
3 hours 40 minutes.
So I think in between I had to go to toilet also. Sir, this, yes, sir, very well. So, sir, basically time management. What I think I was doing wrong is I was starting with question number 1, compulsory question.
Okay.
Because I thought the paper gets started from that only, evaluator. So first impression I will make good.
Yes.
But now I'm thinking first I will attempt 320 markers.
Okay.
Then I will go question number 1 compulsory. Then I will go for 15 markers, 6 questions. Then I will go for question number 5 compulsory.
ऐसा हुआ तो क्या होता है कि sometimes there is a chance that in the last minutes you might miss some question. एक आप सही जा रहे हो, complete one question like second, third, fourth or 6, 7, 8. If you do 6, you do 6. Then you come for
Sure.
first question. अगर आप 10, 20 करके 15 करके ऐसे, there is a chance that you might miss.
Miss means मतलब in general miss, or you're saying timing wise?
Some if somewhere in between time has been spent more. आप कोई वक्त भूल जाते हो.
Oh.
The chance of missing is more.
So my worry is that I will miss because of time constraint. Otherwise, I will not miss.
नहीं, इसलिए आपको 5th किया तो 6th किया तो 6th खत्म कर दो. उसके बाद फर्स्ट करो, उसके बाद 5th करो 10 मार्कर वाला, उसके बाद 2, 3, 4 में एक करो. एक किया तो सेकंड में 15, 15, 20 खत्म करके ही दूसरे वाले में जाओ.
ओके. तो सर देन इस तरह से करते हैं कि 1 and 5 कंपलसरी है, तो पहले 2 बड़े वाले क्वेश्चन कर लेंगे 50 + 50, देन 1 कंपलसरी, then 1 optional, and then 5th compulsory.
Okay.
मतलब why I am asking you this, sir, is that if I am doing compulsory questions initially, then I am taking more time.
Okay.
But in compulsory question first I have to do good, because good impression paper starting it will happen. So somewhere in between I will do that.
Yeah.
What did you, sir, what did you used to do? Like
what I used to do means I used to do 1 and 5th, later 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8 एक बार एक कंप्लीट क्वेश्चन करता था. 15, 15, 20 करके फर्स्ट को आता था, फिर 5th को जाता था कंपलसरी वाला, देन 2, 3, 4 में एक चूज करता था, और 6, 7, 8 में एक चूज कर, एक नहीं तो अगर बराबर हो गया तो बराबर हो जाता था. मगर पहली तो 20, 15, 15 करके 1 and 5 करता था कंपलसरी.
Oh, so you were also doing first 1 option, then compulsories, then options.
मैं आपको ये रिकमेंड किया.
अच्छा.
एक बार में मैं क्वेश्चन नहीं लीव किया था.
ओके. And so timing like 7 minutes, 10 minutes, and
7, 9, 11.
7, 9, 11.
Tribal Panchali answer is good. I remember. This is good.
So, sir, 1 minute, that one comment is there, add the scope. Yeah, below. add the scope of the anthropology. So what can
critically
I add?
appropriate how anthropological knowledge means how anthropology is helpful. First, you have to tell no how anthropology is significant. Then we should
Okay.
apply on tribal development. एंथ्रोपोलॉजी क्या क्या चीज कवर करता है? एंथ्रोपोलॉजी कवर करता है पार्टिसिपेंट ऑब्जर्वेशन को, यहाँ पे एंथ्रोपोलॉजी कवर करता है फील्ड वर्क ट्रेडिशंस को, एंथ्रोपोलॉजी कवर करता है इंक्लूसिव डेवलपमेंट को, एंथ्रोपोलॉजी कवर करता है सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट को. ये सब चीज अगर हम ट्राइबल में अप्लाई किया तो 100% सेम विल बी डुप्लीकेटेड.
Okay.
Here the relationship between anthropology and tribe, not just anthropology into tribe. So anthropology, tribe. If I put this anthropology, so what benefit the tribal is going to get?
Okay. So critically elaborate how anthropological knowledge and methods are useful in travel. Okay. So that. Okay. So I will have to mention.
आपको पहले मुझे बोलना चाहिए ना कि anthropology का knowledge क्या है?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That paragraph is missing.
That paragraph is missing. इसलिए add scope बोल के लिख दिया.
Only one I have mentioned, participant observation. Just one. उसमें अभी just now you sir gave ideas ना anthropology, participant development, inclusive development,
sustainable, participatory, field work traditions.
Field work.
यहाँ पे क्या है? rightly said. Okay. Good. Yes. Good. Continue the same. Don't change anything. Define ethnicity, national integration. Very good. Full of governor. Okay.
Sir, one cross is there. Something wrong I wrote. Just 2 page back. This one. Gram Sabha. Acha, 4. Okay, marks you have given. Okay, sir. Okay. Sir, this is improve. Introduction need to improve. So this thing was something was wrong here. Pseudo tribalism. Pseudo tribalism refers to the fake tribal.
Introduction need to improve. बोले तो pseudo means fake.
अच्छा. Okay. So I should start with directly writing pseudo tribalism refers to.
Yes.
ठीक है.
Yeah, you covered all points. Then fourth wala.
That was first test, sir. I was weak in that.
Yeah. The origin of spoken languages. Big long move.
Sir, एक doubt पूछना था. If so basically there is a 15 marker and a 20 marker. So is it good that if I start the contemporary relevance on the last page will have only contemporary relevance and conclusion? That's it.
Yes.
And rest 2 or 3 pages I will write whatever question is demanded.
Yes, so that it will be like visible.
Because that is what I think you are pointing out in my papers, that visibility is issue.
ये सब एक बार पढ़ो.
Yes, sir.
Genesis and development of field work. Okay, this is correct only.
Sir, yeah, at the development of the fieldwork tradition, just like this, I was thinking. Just back page, sir. This one, page number 25. Yeah, at the development.
The development of anthropology. Ah, yes. सही है.
Sorry, I am not able to see the comment. Just below. At the development of the field work.
हाँ नहीं आप यहाँ पे लिख दिया, मैंने यहाँ तक देखा.
अच्छा.
You covered importance of field work and the development.
Oh, I should have made a box.
थोड़ी बहुत हैंड राइटिंग यहाँ पे ये सब क्या है ये सब?
Yes, sir.
You improve no by 8th test?
Yes, sir.
This is 4th wala.
Yes, sir. It was first test I wrote. We are seeing in reverse order. We first saw the last test.
See, I will tell you. Rahul, you are writing very well. There is one Chandrakant Reddy. He is an IPS 120 rank last time. This time also is writing mains. So we both sat together and we made some of the questions. For that questions, I am sending you the model answer by the end of the day. Go through it very quickly. I will be giving only the crux. आप अच्छे लिख रहे हो. Don't doubt yourself. Very nice, very good marks you got. बस handwriting, visibility, ये दोनों.
Basically time management.
Third, time management.
No, sir, I am saying that what you have pointed out is because of time management. If you have observed initially my writing, you are saying it's okay, right?
Yes.
Only on last two questions, I am getting bad writing because of time management. I'm getting panic and self-doubt also. So, yeah. Okay.
Okay, Rahul, all the best.
Sir, one doubt was there, which I had just mugged up and I was always... I just wanted to understand the example. सर ये जो कल्चर पैटर्न करके जो टॉपिक है, specifically I think
Ruth Benedict Margaret Mead.
Yes, sir. In that there is a diagram which we draw in which we show one complex, we show traits, then we show pattern, then we show configuration. I am always confused. Like, can you please explain me with some example from like Indian society? What is a trait? What is a complex? What is a pattern?
Culture synonymous culture pattern. Culture pattern is also called as culture. Culture is a combination of culture complexes. Marriage, family, kinship, economic systems, political system. Each one is culture complex. In every culture complex, there are cultural traits are there. For example, marriage, a sacred thread, rituals, practices, garland, etc., etc. So each and every individual aspect is called as culture trait. That particular together, that configuration is called as culture complex, and the combination of culture complexes is called as culture pattern or simply culture.
That will be perfect. ठीक है सर. तो सर बेसिकली अभी जो मेरा कंसर्न है वो बस यही हो रहा है कि like so revision I am feeling I am not able to cover everything, so I am focusing on the important topics first. So and archaeology is going a little bit weak, so what will you recommend for archaeology? Like what should I do quickly in archaeological part?
Now you have to remember, no? You have to focus on remembering. Don't do anything new, never. Sinoli excavations I provided yesterday, and Rakhigarh, once go through it.
ठीक है, that you are expecting. ठीक है सर, चलो करते हैं. Okay sir, thank you so much sir, thank you so much.